Hello, my name is Sahil Kumar. Now I am going to represent the sales pitch, how to sales in a business communication. Uh, this is the first page, and this is the second page, like the key areas for any presentation. In my views, like any effective presentation speech or a pitch makes a connection with the intended receiver, maintains their attending engaged and them with a central idea or proposition depending on the occasions, audience, or the purposes, which is usually to inform, persuade, or entertain the contact and the presentation style. And it needs to be adapted by the situation, like similar to the written communication, oral communication to benefits from a clear logical structure and the sequence, especially in the presentation when the audience only hears the information once. The ideas should be organized around the main purpose of the speech. The main point is to be presented in a logical order so that they are easy to understand. Additionally, visual aids may be used to simplify complexity, build credibility, and help the audience remember the message. So, the communication basic ideas first. So, ultimately, the success of the presentation speech depend on two parties, the presenter and the receivers. Where there is a connection between the parties and the message is clear and conveyed perceptually, the audience is more likely to engage and the presentation well received. Presenting a sales pitch can require quoting numbers, like it will showing in the fourth one, the graphs, the visual, like by visual the user can understand easily, like by displaying graphs, quoting number, discussing factor and the changes. But the initial objective of the presenter is to communicate the central point of the sales. So uh, this could be a critical issue, progress or a change which highlight the gist of entire presentation. The listener are intelligent people, so they need to know what critical point presenter is making to make the immediate presentation. So, the animations, what is used for presentation is can be so boring. So, in order to make it interesting or keep the interest of the audience, it is essential to use a range of communication mediums. So, this can be through using visual flip charts, whiteboards, combining videos and sound effects, or even by bringing in practical parcel of the things being discussed. Animations are a great way to communicate and indicate the flow of information. Animations are helpful, like in driving the point and the increasing the engagement with the audience. So it can make it easy for the audience to digest final concept, making it easier for them to absorb new information. In the sixth slide, uh, we have focused on the verbal communication by the specific words. So pitch should be easy to understand, clear, capturing. So there must be a focus on verbal communication. The mantra of effective communication is practice along with the factor like voice quality, pronunciation, speed of speech, information, discussion, etc. must be designed to ensure that the national information is clear. When delivering the presentation, there is a one more thing that we focus in the next slide. For non-verbal communication, it should be positive. For positivity, it include body movement, facial expression, and posture, vocal quality, personal space, environment, and appearance. The total message is a combination of these spoken words and like by repeating, contradicting, complementing it. As human as really heavy or usual information, a contradiction between the verbal and non-verbal message tends to confuse the receiver. Therefore, the presenter needs to be pay attention to using non-verbal communication and behavior. So that should be matched with the verb message. A positive mindset, good preparation, and rehearsing beforehand are strategy to ensure a confident, well-placed delivery that sounds natural and looks comfortable. Furthermore, direct by eye contact, clear articulation, and unbeat tone of voice, posture, and appearance strengthen the physical deliveries. In the eighth slide, we have the list of references, and thanks for listening. Thank you so much.